have Chaz Thompson, the head coach at Fort Hays State. Mike Bemis, the new head coach at Barton Community College, a new program starting next year. Justin Ensign, head coach of the University of Central Missouri. Matt Hansen, assistant coach at Simpson College. Kevin Olson, assistant coach at Iowa Western Community College. From Benedictine College, we have two assistant coaches, Doug Spengler and Eric Hinckley. Cody Garcia is here. He's the head coach for Bethany College. From Missouri Valley College, we have head coach Mike Mockles and assistants Patrick Chamgrosso and Travis Ewart. And from Ottawa University, we have head coach Kevin Andrus. Ladies and gentlemen, these are all the college coaches in attendance this evening watching these young men wrestle. We will now have a 10-minute intermission if you need anything from concessions or the restroom. Now is your chance. You have 10 minutes. We'll come back and start with our first of two bouts.